Hello. So this is Privina, so my colleague at Breakout.
Yep.
So we are now walking from New Central. So this is New Central. We are walking now to LRT nak kena pergi ke Avenue K because apparently we have to do some training there. So,
Yes.
how do you feel?
How do I feel? I don't know. Why do we have to
Ikut
go back
je lah.
there? Ikut je lah. Kan?
Boss kata we just follow. That's what good workers do.
Yeah.
We don't question.
And work calls.
Tapi kena dengan Jas. Nanti mesti kena marah dengan Jas. Jas selalu marah I.
No, not like that.
Yeah, because she's like what you call that? Strict lah. So yeah. Ramai orang kat Kat Central. Is ending the vlog. It's been a really rough day. I went from New Central to FDK and then to New Central again because I need to go for training. So my feet are killing me. I'm like so tired. I'm beat. But at least tomorrow I will only have to go to work at 12 o'clock. So I have some extra time to go to sleep, which means I am not going to edit the vlog now, and then I'm gonna edit the vlog tomorrow so I can have some extra sleep. Just lie down, malas nak fikir kan, so I just do it tomorrow lah. Even if I don't do it tomorrow morning, I'll do it tomorrow night. So yeah, I just want to go to bed and have a nice rest because I think I kind of deserve it. Just watching the latest season of MasterChef Australia. I think it's the best MasterChef out there compared to the crappy trash that the US has provided us with. The UK is quite good, but not as good as Australia. So I'm just watching this and then go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be good. Always berbudi bahasa and live life. Bye bye guys.